Can you play JoJo, please?
Oh, okay, I got you. I got you.
Please. I love Giorno.
How many subscribes, my friend?
Like a one subscribe, my friend.
You are shit, my friend.
I am shit, my friend. Here we go. Oh, hold on a second. I got a better idea.
Okay. You're not shit.
What's going on? Let's go talk to some people. Let's get it.
Wow, it's me. Hello.
How are you? Stay safe, stay healthy.
You too. Wow.
Yo, yo.
Are you going to razzle dazzle me with your pianist fingers?
That depends, man. What do you want to hear?
What do you know?
Man, I'll try anything, man. You play me something, I'll play it back.
Shit, that's hard. Just play me the hardest song you know.
All right.
That was amazing.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate you, man.
I'm an absolute loss of words.
Yo, do me a favor, buddy.
Hey, man.
Can you play JoJo, please?
Oh, okay. I got you. I got you.
Please. I love Giorno.
Yo. Awesome, man. I
Dude,
love you.
you were wilding out
Great
after
job.
that, man. You guys are partying it up there.
Hell yeah,
It's a
bro.
fucking banger, bro.
Yo, 100%, bro.
We've asked like 7 people to play it.
Oh my god, I fucking love it, dude. You guys are the best.
It's so good.
Alright,
I
man.
love the setup, dude. It
Hey.
looks dope.
I appreciate that, man. Yeah, anything I should change? Anything? You can hear everything okay?
Yeah, I think it's really good, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright,
You got the YouTubes?
Yeah, man, I'm at Easy Piano Hacks. It's all JoJo shit, man.
Oh, hell yeah.
Is it though?
Wow, ik zie mezelf op zijn ding.
Hey, what's going on, man?
Hi, what up?
What's
Why do I
good?
see myself on your screen?
Oh, dude, it's just for the video, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man. We're gonna be a YouTube video together.
What are you about to do?
Well, what do you want to hear, man? I'll play anything you want, man.
Anything.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, damn.
I'll do my
On the
best.
Piano.
We'll see.
Yeah, okay, but just a song in my head. Like, you know, something from like NF or something?
Let me. Let's see here. Why don't you give me a song name? I'll play it, and then we'll see. What that sounds like.
Try Let You Down?
Dude, this is a dope song, bro.
Right?
Man, you've been grabbing to this, eh? God damn.
Yeah, it's my favorite rapper. I really love it.
Dude, you play music too?
I don't play, but I really love. Like every song in my listens, like
Dude,
really
vibes.
long. I like learn all the lyrics.
Oh my god, I love it, dude. Yeah, you stay safe out there, homie.
Thank you. Same for you.
Oh
Whoa.
boy. Oh yo.
What is this?
Hey man, what you playing?
Bro, this 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I forgot. Wait, one more time. 1, 2, 3.
Ready. Let's go, man.
1, 2, 3, oh.
Okay. Hey, keep going, bro. That was good, bro.
Nice little blue scale there.
Hey man, thank you, bro. You play music for a long time too?
I mean, yes.
Yeah. You playing guitar, right?
I'm primarily a vocalist, but yeah.
Oh no way, dude.
Do you have like a YouTube channel or whatever? What are you doing right now?
I'm YouTube channel's Easy Piano Hacks. I teach people piano and stuff, but yeah,
Really?
man.
Easy piano hacks.
Yes, sir.
This.
Yeah, that's it, bro.
We
What's your
almost have
channel?
1,000 subscribers.
We getting there, bro.
I'm gonna give you one.
Alright, homie, I got you back.
Sick, dude.
My man, dude. Y'all take care out there, bro. Stay safe, yo.
Oh, you too. Don't die of corona.
Uh-huh. Oh, hell yeah, dude. Hey, what's good, man?
Someone's actually gonna play some. That's really good. She say wet for her senpai. Try so kawaii with for her senpai.
Oh,
My God. You are a YouTuber.
Nah.
I'm on YouTube.
Hey, man. Say hi to YouTube, bro. What's good?
How many subscribes, my friend?
Like a 1 subscribe, my friend.
You are shit, my friend.
I am shit, my friend. Here we go. Oh, hold on a second. I got a better idea.
Okay. You're not shit.
That was fun, bro.
What's
That's
your
it.
channel, bro?
I'm at Easy Piano Hacks, man.
I'm at. Can you type it, bro?
I got you.
Subscribe.
I got you back, man.
Okay.
Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Lucian Lou. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, please let me know in the comments. I will feature the top comment in the next video, just like this. If you'd like to see more entertaining videos, piano covers, tutorials, hit subscribe and the bell button. And I'll see you in the next video.